Danny and the Drum Train. Danny the dog loved music and trains. One day, he found a special green train car with a big letter D on it. "Wow! This must be the drum train!" he barked excitedly. Inside, he saw a big drum. He tapped it with his paw. Dum, dum, dum! The train suddenly danced down the tracks. Danny laughed. This train loves music. He grabbed the drumsticks and played a happy beat. The train sped up, puffing delightful smoke clouds into the sky. As they chugged along, Danny saw a deer, a duck, and a donkey waving from the fields. "Come join the fun," he called. They all hopped in, tapping their hooves and feet to the drum's beat. The drum train rolled through the deep, dark tunnel, then out into the dazzling daylight. Danny felt like a real drummer leading a grand parade. Finally, the train slowed to a stop. Danny smiled. That was the best drum roll ever. And from that day on, the drum train and Danny the dog made music wherever they went.
Learning the alphabet with a little finesse from the start to the end. Let's sing it through with all the letters. We'll make words that are true. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We'll have fun and learn together. You'll see, letters make